Golf Echo Romeo, tall building.
Golf Echo Romeo, roger, there's traffic ahead on the runway.
Visual with the traffic, Golf Echo Romeo.
EGT 3 low.
Golf Echo Romeo, land your discretion. Runway 26, instant wind is calm.
My discretion, Golf Echo Romeo.
Good morning, November 411 Bravo Charlie, pre-flight. Check please and taxi for departure.
Come on, Bravo Charlie, your 5s, taxi to the Bravo hold, runway 26, a noise abatement departure, the QNH 1026.
EGT 3
5 also, and taxi to the Bravo hold, 26, noise abatement departure, QNH 1026, Bravo Charlie.
Golf India Zulu downwind for touch and go.
Golf India Zulu, report on flight.
Golf India Zulu.
Target speed is 58, speed good. Slow, very slow, very slow, very slow. Airspeed 45, 40, 35.
Golf Echo Romeo 180 backtrack, how long are you staying?
30,
Just for a cup of tea.
25.
EGT 4 low.
Golf Lima uniform downwind for 26, touch and go.
Golf Lima uniform, report on final.
4 final, Golf Lima uniform.
Echo Romeo, backtrack the runway and vacate at Alpha.
At Alpha, Golf Echo Romeo.
EGT 2 low. EGT 4 low.
Echo Romeo, be next turning on your right and then parking in front of the tower on the customs square.
Roger.